Ito yung last one. Ito na lang. Hindi na ito.
Thank you, Your Honor. Opo, andito po, nahanap namin yung check number.
Will you please read the check number?
Check number 188804.
Okay.
My counsel, just with your permission, I just want to clarify one thing from the distinguished witness. Does that disbursing voucher describe the payment as in trust for the Basa Guidote?
Andito po.
Nakalagay in trust for.
Opo.
Okay, I'm now showing to you a certified true copy of a land bank check number 000188804, already marked by the defense as Exhibit 238 and also by the prosecution as 10Js. Please tell us if this is the check referred to in that disbursement voucher.
Mr. President.
Yes.
Opo. I see the check, the copy of the check, and it bears the same number.
I just want to make another clarificatory question, Mr. Witness.
Okay.
If that, if we check and the voucher states that the payment is in trust for, who was the actual payee of the check?
And nakalagay po dito, yun po Cristina Corona ITF, Basa Guidote Enterprises.
So the payee was
Basa Guidote Enterprises.
Cristina Corona in trust for.
Basa Guidote
In
Enterprises.
other words, the trustee of the fund is Cristina Corona.
Opo.
All right.
May we request, Your Honor, that the words Cristina Corona, ITF, Basa Guidote Enterprises Inc., as appearing in the disbursement voucher, Exhibit 239, be bracketed and marked as Exhibit 239-A, and the check number 188804, referred to in this disbursement voucher, be marked as Exhibit 239-B. Okay. We also request, Your Honor, that the check number as appearing Exhibit 238 be bracketed and marked as Exhibit 238-B. And the payee, Cristina Corona, ITF, Basa Guidote Enterprises, Inc., be encircled and marked as Exhibit 238-C. One last question, Your Honor.
Go ahead.
Noong Marso 22, 2012, in the course of the cross-examination, meron hong tinanong si Senator Drilon tungkol sa isang notice of suspension. Kailan ho ba ninyo unang narinig yung notice of suspension?
Sa totoo po, doon ko lang po narinig yung order of suspension. I've never heard, never seen, and never sent an order of suspension.
Have you received this notice of suspension to date?
Up to now, I have
Ano,
not received.
ano yung notice of suspension?
COA ho. Notice of suspension by the resident COA.
To suspend payment?
It was just a notice of suspension raising some points regarding the transaction, Your Honor.
All right.
Your Honor,
That will be all, Your Honor.
well,
Mr. Vice Mayor, Mr. Mayor, doon ba sa cheque na naglalaman ng bayad ng lupa sa Basa Guidotti at ganoon din yung voucher, kasama ang pangalan ni Chief Justice Corona?
Andito po sa voucher. Opo.
Kasama ang pangalan ni Chief Justice Corona?
Opo.
Anong
Hindi po si Chief Justice. Christina Corona po.
wala si Chief Justice?
Wala po, wala.
Wala. Ang trustee dyan ay si Christina Corona.
Christina Corona po.
Hindi si Chief Justice.
Hindi po. Hindi po.
Okay.
maybe we have a number of requests, Your Honor.
Go ahead. Proceed.
Mr. Mayor, you will agree with me that in the particulars of payment in this disbursement voucher, the only entity as payee mentioned herein is Basa Guidotti Enterprises, Inc. That's correct. In the particulars of payment.
Nakikita ko po rito ngayon
Just answer yes or no.
ito'y kabayaran sa Basa Guidotti Enterprises. Opo.
Nothing is mentioned in the particulars of payment of this entrust for Christina Corona. That's correct.
That's misleading, Your Honor.
No, he's asking a
Yes.
question. If it's in the document.
And with respect to this check that you identified, when Christina Corona signed this disbursement voucher, she also received simultaneously the check. That's correct?
Opo, sapagkat
That's
sa kanya-
misleading, Your Honor.
I'm asking, Your Honor.
What is misleading about it? What is
That's why I'm asking.
What is misleading about the question?
The disbursement voucher, Your Honor.
No, the basis of the objection is that the question is of the cross-examiner is misleading. Why?
What I heard, Your Honor, is that the check was simultaneously delivered upon the signing of
That's why
the...
she's asking for the question.
That's why.
She's eliciting an information.
Hindi ko po maaalala yun sa totoo lang po. Sapagkat dumaan sa akin yung voucher, tapos nabayaran na yung property.
And when Christina Corona received personally this land bank check, which according to you, you even had a simple ceremony in the City Hall. You remember having said that?
Wala.
Am I correct?
Pero po kaming pag-turn over ng check. Opo.
Oh. And the Chief Justice, the respondent, was present during that time.
I don't remember that.
How many times did you see the respondent accompanying Christina Corona, aside from the fact when they went to your office?
Counsel, what is the relevance of that? Whether the Chief Justice was present or not?
We are showing the involvement of the Chief Justice because, Your Honor, the Chief Justice has been saying in the media that he's not getting involved. So we would like to know if at all he was accompanying the wife.
Yeah, precisely. He is present there probably to accompany
But
the
for
wife.
whatever reason, yun. For whatever reason, Your Honor.
All right. Anyway, answer, Mr. Witness.
On the several occasions that we talked about the transaction, the negotiation, si Mrs. Corona po ang kausap ko. And a certain attorney Corona then, who was the husband, was present on those two occasions.
So the Chief Justice was present during that time. Yeah. Attorney Corona, for that matter.
Attorney Corona, because yung po pagkakakilala ko, that was the first time I saw the gentleman.
That will be all, Your Honor.
All right. Anything else? If there's none, the witness is discharged. Next witness.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mayor. Maski 1 minute lang.
Next witness.
Mr. President, may we suspend the proceedings for a few minutes?